Home Remedies presents.
I used cloves for 30 days and this happened. Cloves are known for their great health benefits, particularly for stomach health. This fragrant spice, often added to food for flavor, also has many healing properties that could lessen your trips to the pharmacy. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Why cloves? Cloves are rich in antioxidants and have key compounds like eugenol, known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. These qualities make cloves a great natural solution for easing stomach problems and supporting overall digestive health. How to use cloves for belly health? Cloves are an easy and old-fashioned way to support stomach health. Here's how to add this spice to your daily habits. Ingredients: a small handful of whole cloves, a clean thin cloth. Instructions: prepare the cloves. Take a few whole cloves and slightly crush them to release their oils. Wrap the cloves. Place the crushed cloves in the center of a clean thin cloth. Gather the edges to form a small pouch and secure it with a string or rubber band. Apply to belly. Place the cloth pouch directly on your belly. The warmth of your body will help release the essential oils from the cloves, allowing the beneficial properties to absorb through your skin. Relax. For best results, apply the pouch while resting in a comfortable position. Leave it on your belly for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is a great time to relax, read, or meditate. Benefits: digestive comfort. The eugenol in cloves can help ease digestion and relieve symptoms like bloating and gas. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe abdominal discomfort. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves have natural antimicrobial properties, which can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora. This simple and natural remedy can help ease your daily routine, especially if you sometimes have stomach troubles. Cloves provide a natural way to support your digestive health, but they shouldn't take the place of medical care when needed. Still, for minor pains and light issues, using a clove pouch can be a pleasant and helpful option.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.